Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saad, and here is my evaluation report of Al Habib Bank Limited, and my group members are Isha Shakil and Zunara Tufel. So here we start. Website heuristic evaluation. The first of all is the visibility of system status. Almost every process carried out by user is visible on the website. As you can see, there are proper sectioning and slide indicator for the ads going through, and the user can see properly. So there is a good sense of visibility of system status, and there is a good match between system and the real world. The language is used and all the icons you can easily understand. So what's going on in there? The next is user control and freedom. The website is handy and is responsive. You can swiftly go around the different pages of the website, thus provides you the freedom and the features which are accessible to the customers are very efficient in the working. Consistency and standards. Websites follows all the rules and conventions to make it easier for traffic to interact. There are proper icons and tags for in-depth experience of the customers. For example, as you can see, there are ATMs including an ATM sign icon and the branches just like the bank, just like the image of the bank. Mobile banking showing a mobile and the call center icon and net banking similarly. Fifth one is error prevention. If there is an error on the website is very responsive in diagnosing it and telling it to the customer, so the customer is aware of what is going on to the website. Sixth one is recognition rather than recall. All the important features are quite visible and on the front page, and in case of a new user, the website contains all the helpful tool tips. For example, there is the business banking, personal banking, and network banking icon available on the front page. Cash management, trace services, home remittance, and international presence, which are the main issues, are easily available and visible on it. Okay. So flexibility and efficiency of the use. The website is not so flexible in terms of skipping steps and one less tab than previous because it is a bank related website and contains personal credentials for once. So here the indication is that when you log into your account, you have to verify yourself because it is a sensitive account, because the information of the account is very sensitive and the money and everything according to your account is considered to be encrypted. That's why it's not so flexible. Aesthetic and minimalistic design. The design is basic and all the essential features are on the front page. Everything is arranged in the respective sections for providing better banking experiences. For example, there are proper divisions of our services, what's new, ways to the bank, and the support if you are having trouble related to your bank, searching for a bank nearby, etc. Help user recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. The website does tell the user about the error done by them. If they entered a wrong password, it will display wrong password, incorrect password. Or if the amount transfer exceeds the amount transfer limit, it displays you cannot complete the transfer due to transfer limit. So the user is able to diagnose the problem and is able to solve and avoid the mistake from occurring again. Help and documentation. If a user is experiencing different issues on the website, such as he cannot find his way through the website, so he can always have an FAQ, frequently asked questions, or contact them on their call or live help support. The next is a website redesigning according to our heuristics evaluation. So we changed a little bit of the in front, as you can see the header, we changed it a little bit. We put a home button in there instead of the Bank Al Habib icon as seen in the before, and we put a login screen to the front because most of the people they want to access the login feature of the bank, so we put it in the front as it is an essential feature of the website. The next is we put all the different three types of the banking, that is conventional, Islamic, and overseas branching, to the second page, and we added the other three divisions about us: personal banking, business banking, information, careers, and here are the branches below again. Then we put a map in there and the schedule of different websites and offsite ATMs and nearby us any locations. For example, here is a 4K Chorangi 116 that is in the New Karachi, and here it is shown in the map as you can see. So the next is the not accepted responses to our heuristic evaluation of our friends who evaluated our report, that is the EB 126 and M 33. Help and documentation. Here he evaluated that there is no FAQ section, FAQ options or sections on the website. No help documentation is present on the website in our design, and we did not accept it because, as you can see, in our designed page there is available and contact us on the very start of the page, and the FAQ section in the login the first page. As you can see here, we have evidence in case of any inconvenience, and these are all the heuristics which are acceptable. As you can see, the visibility of the system status, the website satisfies the point of visibility in the reasonable time, evaluation accepted. And as you can see, user can change its language from the button if she cannot understand default English language, accepted. User control and freedom, user can go back if she chooses mistake and home button, they can go straight back to the this is the one we designed and we accepted it. Users should not have to want a different accent or mean follow different platforms. As you can see, every dialogue has different meanings and actions. Different colors indication shows this evaluation accepted. Error prevention, we did not encounter any error, so error prevention is not needed. If we will encounter any kind of error, so we can click contact us button so we can get how to resolve the error. Evaluation accepted. And there is the last one, evaluation actions objects and visible on the throughout the website. There are options that are visible on the website. The user would not remember the information. This we also accepted. And the seventh one, flexibility of the use, flexibility and efficiency of use. Accelerators unseen by the novice users may often speed up the interaction, allows user to tailor frequent. They use conventions with text and easy language, so the website can be usable by an experienced use. So we accepted all these evaluations by them, and here are my critiques to improve the design or the working of a website. This website logo is not too attractive and does not seem related to the bank. The animations on this website are too big to not fit. As you can see, there were ads before running through the screen and which are too big, and thus they cause some inconvenience. So the login button is on the top of the corners. As you can see, we replaced the login button to the front here, as you can see, just because for the convenience of the customer, so he can log in as soon as possible instead of scrolling through it. And menu is not arranged and all the information is not line wise. Yes, I would like to tell you about this. As you can see, the website is in the landscape mode, and which in which the customer has to face many of the difficulties. In the landscape, he has to swipe up, down, right or left. So we kind of arranged it into some of the portrait mode like this, so the user has easy access to the menus. Okay, so that's all from our side. Thank you.